This is our second question on simple interest. Question is, find the amount of rupees 3,000 at 5.5% per annum on simple interest basis in 4.5 years. So we are supposed to find the final amount is C times 1 plus n into I. So here the initial capital is given as 3,000, or the principal is given as 3,000, and n, that is number of years, is given as 4.5, let's say 4.5, and interest rate is given as 5.5%, which is nothing but 0.055. Now let us calculate this. We get the total amount as rupees 3742.50. So that is the solution for this. We'll again continue this simple interest problems in our next video. Till then, take care. See you all.